In vending, it's not only about what you sell, it's about whether the customer notices your machine in the first place. At Entervending, we create global Gumball spiral vending machines designed to attract attention, create curiosity, and help operators stand out. Global Gumball is our own line of spiral vending machines. We design and manufacture them for operators who want more than just a basic vending machine sitting in the corner. A spiral machine turns a simple purchase into a small show. The customer turns the handle, watches the product travel down the spiral, and gets more than just a product. They get an experience. Appearance matters, reliability matters, and the right machine can make a location more noticeable, more attractive, and more memorable. From smaller starter models to large spiral machines, Global Gumball is built for operators who want to grow their vending business professionally. Another important part of Entervending is capsules. We supply empty capsules in many different sizes for surprises, product packaging, promotional items, samples, toys, prizes, vending machines, and claw machines. A capsule is not just a container. It is a way to make a product more exciting, to hide a surprise, package an item beautifully, and create a moment of anticipation for the customer. Whether you need small capsules for classic vending, capsules for claw machines, or large capsules for custom product packaging, we help you choose the right size for your business. We also carry gumballs, toys, bouncy balls, rubber ducks, and other popular vending products. But our main focus is not just selling products from a warehouse. We help operators build vending setups that look professional, work reliably, and keep customers coming back. Whether you are starting your first vending route or expanding an existing business, Entervending is ready to help you grow. Entervending and Global Gumball, spiral vending machines, capsules, and vending solutions built for operators.